Hello.
Hello.
Again, hopefully again. You're joining us for Behind the Drywall. And last time we were in the same space and...
Well, hold on. I'm Mike and this is Molly.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, sorry.
I'm Molly.
Your turn.
And you're?
Mike.
Okay. So, last time we were here in this very same spot. It looked a lot different. And this is a really good opportunity to talk about, should you stay in your home and live in it while it's being remodeled, or should you go and not be in your home while it is being remodeled? So this is a very good example of why we highly suggest that you go.
Yes, of course it's only a suggestion, but we suggest that when you're doing a significant remodel, especially one that involves a kitchen, and removing walls and painting and new cabinets, a big project, it's so much better if you don't stay in the house. It's just going to create chaos between everyone. No matter how fast the contractor goes,
Your blood pressure will go.
Everyone's going to get upset with each other because it's your house. And if you're doing like a master bath or one part that you have another bathroom, you can stay in the house. With something like this, you got to move out. So
or
that's,
if you're doing all the floors and you want to get everything done at once, just rip it off and you just want to do it all at once. You don't want to phase it. Then you definitely, you don't have to. We've actually lived through it ourselves where we didn't, and we were moving things from one side of the house
but that's
to the
why
other.
we suggest to
Very stressful, and it's loud. You're listening to it while you're there, and it's just not fun at all. It's not any fun. It'll still look beautiful. It's just.
So doing a large project, it's much better to move out. You'll be much happier. Think about it. Do you want to eat grilled food every single day and all because you don't have a kitchen? Just go somewhere, make it like it's a vacation, and then you're not going to have to live through it. You're actually pretty lucky right now because we told the crews to take a break. But there's about 15 or 20 guys here, and they're banging and vacuuming and hammering and sawing. You don't want to sit in the middle of that. So that's our suggestion.
That's, should I stay or should I go now?
She's going to do the dancing this time. So, I think
that would be it
follow
for
us.
today. Don't forget to share. See the little button right there? Press that button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, your neighbors, and let them know. And if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, thoughts, let us know because we're happy to touch on those subjects also. And also tune into some of our other posts, which are Remodel Your Thinking, and we're going to have some of those coming up later this month too.
That's it. Bye.